Okay, we'll go ahead and line up our cowl in here a little bit. There's a bunch of stuff here that's going to be done later. Okay, this has to go inside of that. She'll go out of the way, no problem. Where's the bolts you had out? That's these chrome ones here. These are chrome.
Yeah. Whatever you find that looks like it'll work, maybe put a washer on it too.
No, these are a little bit short for putting washers
Yeah,
in.
well.
Be a little bit longer than that. Is this the hardware here?
I don't, no, this is the stuff I spilled out that was for the nacelle.
See, here's the...
Yeah, I seen that. There was a question mark on that bag. I don't think they knew what any of that stuff went to.
There was the washer for that.
Yeah.
The dash. Put that up in here and mount it. Just that way it'll be all in one spot. Find it later. There, it's mounted. How long are your bolts? They this length? Need the longer ones. We got two. Should be a couple spacers. Here's one spacer. Here's two spacers. Okay, good. We can run longer bolts from the top. These are metric or something. I'm using that crap.
This is the stuff that was in the bag at marked nacelle.
These ones here?
Yes.
There's two of the same length. There's our spacer, spacer. No lock washers or anything.
No.
Here's a lock washer on one of them. Here's another lock washer. There's two flat washers for me. Another lock washer. Another one. I don't think you need a flat washer on top because you're going to have
I
to.
think if we don't, we're gonna bottom out. Because I was just measuring this, how much space we have on the inside here.
Just go ahead and put them in. Why not?
Not much.
Well, tighten these up. Let them bottom out without a headlight on it, and leave yourself 1/8 of an inch. Because this is more than an 1/8 inch thick. It's about 3/16 thick, so if you have an 1/8 inch hanging out, you're good. These bolts are way short.
So you're putting a flat or nothing?
I got a flat. On that one you probably don't have to, but I can dig up some flats for you. You try this on the bottom. Just stick them in there. Take a little 1/4 drive ratchet right here. Give me a 1/2 inch socket over there. When I'm in there, see how deep they go in. I'm good on my side. I got about 1/16. You're just trying to.
Well, then my side's the same size, so gotta be
If
good.
they got it in there correctly, I would check it. I always check everything. Do the same thing for the top. I'll find a 5/16 washer for you. There's a 5/16.
You should just not make it.
There's another 5/16. These are way too short. They cut these down.
Yeah.
You're not running anything. Okay, you're good with that? You ratchet? Okay, so we know the two bottom ones will fit, no problem. Okay, so these are good. Okay, we have a lock washer. Let's put the flat against the spacer like that.
Okay.
How much room we got this way? Okay, that's the one we're gonna have a problem on. Let's see, you're gonna have a headlight. The windshield bracket sticks out quite a bit, but I don't know if we're gonna be running it on there or not. That's what these spacers are for.
Yeah.
So I think you're gonna wind up needing the longer bolt.
It's not for this purpose.
It's just right now it's a problem.
You got something a little bit shorter than this we can use?
These would probably work.
Yep.
1/4 inch shorter. Yep, that'll give what we need. And I'm assuming they got the fork in the right spot too. I don't know that either. Okay, I'm no problem on it. I go with no cowl on here at all. It might actually be a little on the short side. This one's a little, actually it's a little short.
Yeah, I see that.
So how much do we take off? It's 1/4 inch difference.
Did you just skip the flat washer, or?
Oh, that's because the darn fork doesn't line up. That's why it bottoms out so early. See, you see the bottom of the fork piece in there, hits on it.
Should have had the flat over there, huh?
They need to be cut deeper. Then you could have used the correct bolt in, because right now there's no threads. So that means it's going to want to strip out the fork pretty easy. So it's a problem area. That's something I usually grind on when I put together. I notice there's a problem. I go in there and deal with it. Some are too short, some are not. I don't know why they're different. Just manufacturing differences.
Yeah.
So it's always going to have that same problem. You have to drop the fork down, grind that out, and put it back up to fix it.
I'm not doing that tonight.
No, we can do that. You can do that when he gets back where he's at. But it's in there, you know about it. So for now, we can use these shorter bolts. They'll work. But to do it correctly, we're going to need some more length. We could probably leave out the flat washer for now because we have the bolt.
All right.
We'll see if it bottoms out. You're supposed to be on top of me. I'm in. You got a couple threads on the top one there?
I do.
Okay.
We should probably get this up.
Yeah, it should slide up. Whenever he finds a hole and it goes in there someplace and mounts up. Normally you put all this stuff together before you tighten it. You know, put the headlight in and pull it in the bucket. Where's that bucket? Didn't we have it, or did he take it back with him?
It's here somewhere.
I thought we had it.
I brought it.
I don't see it here.
Right here.
Okay, this stuff here is going to be extra stuff for now. I'm going to throw all this hardware in the question bag. Okay, do we have any of the screws with us at all or not?
I picked up some hardware to put on it.
Got it.
Let's see here.
One, two, three. Looks like I got 4 on my side. No line up. What are those Allens? No, they're straight. Getting lock wash to go with those?
I don't think they didn't come with lock washers. They just screwed in.
They have lock washers
No,
on.
they don't.
Yeah, they do. They usually have store washers.
And then find some lock washers for it.
Should you bring any with you?
No.
What is this? Up to the standard lock. I don't have store washers.
Yeah, flat washer would be fine
There's
too.
that Phillips wrench. There. Top one first. So one in. Usually I go for the bottom right off the bat. So I'm in.
I got 3 on this side.
Get your top one up in there. Where's your bottom at? Here's the bottom. Holes are well slotted out on this
I
thing.
see that.
I need one more bolt. Thought he brought me lunch. Any more years line up?
I'm done. There's 3 on this side.
You got 3 on yours, 7 on this. That everything lined up. That's weird. That don't happen very often. Okay, pulling a couple, top one up there, squeeze it in a little bit. Let you jump down to the bottom. Holding good.
Here's 2.
Just side ones. Good. Here's torque.
See, if you use a correct screwdriver, it works better.
No, I just have to have more muscle.
That's the wrong screwdriver.
Mounted though, that's all that
That's what I'm
matters.
saying.
There you go. Starting to look like a bike now. Look at that. Fancy polish job on there. All the screws are in there like they're supposed to be. Do we have a little sheet metal screw for down there?
Oh, it goes right here. See? Yeah.
Look at that, comes with it. All right, you got everything. It's got a nice fit up here too. This must be genuine Harley stuff. Look how nice that fits.
Yeah.
No big ass 1/4 inch gaps like they do in the aftermarket ones. It even lines up on the bottom, look at that. These things actually fit. Pretty rare. Did we have the top hood or not?
Sorry?
Did we have the top hood up there or
I'm not
not?
sure where it's at.
No biggie. One screw left. I'll put that in our bag so in case he needs it. Give him a lock washer to go with it. Big bag of hardware that we're going to have up there. Having fun with those clips.
Yeah, I was trying to make this rubber gasket hang in there.
Well, you need a top one that has the little straight to go in the top hook up here. There's a little hole up in here it pops into.
Yeah.
That's the one that keeps it from coming off on the top. So if you can see it, there's a hole right here, slot. So the hook has a thing like that on the front of it. Where's the one, the center one at?
Right there. Is that what you're looking for?
No. That one.
They're all the same. See?
Mhm.
Oh, they're all the same. I'm just trying to get this guy where go under like it's supposed to.
Yeah, I'm not sure those stupid clips are supposed to do anyway, but I don't see how you're going to make that hook into the top register.
Yes.
Looks like the clips are just pushing it out, they're not holding it in. There, that's how it works. Figure it out later. So you got one that sticks down inside.
Well, maybe you're missing that one, I guess.
See, I don't see the one that you need. Sticks down pretty far.
Yeah, I understand. I'll check at home, see if I can find another ring that's got what we need on it.
Yeah. Because you only got two things to hold it. That one there and this one
Yeah,
here.
that's correct.
The screw.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead and put it up on there with your screw. It'll stay put. Wait for the short one to get in there. Film on it.
Lined up.
In the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Put the screw in there and find it.
I need a stubby, I think.
That's why I use a short one. You're not in, I don't think, are you?
Fucking no. No.
You are now. Pop bang. Goes.
There, it's on there.
It's staying,
Pretty darn close
but it
enough.
won't.
Yeah, don't play with it.
It won't stay for long, but it looks good for now.
Yeah, it looks better than it did without.
Excuse me.
I'm gonna scoot.
Scoot. All right. All mounted up on there. Crash bar's got to go on here. Crash bar on here right now, so it doesn't rattle around on the bench here, making a mess. Let's see here. To undo all of this stuff we already had mounted. Okay, the crash bar mounts between the master cylinder bracket right here. So those two washers come out, and the crash bar, which is the fixed part right here, replaces it. That's why those spacers are in there when you're not using it. Alright, another problem. The brake line was not made to clear the crash bar, so now it's in the way. And that thing's in there pretty stinking tight, as I recall. So that's going to be a problem. Wonderful. Do some more massaging. Great. All right. The brake line doesn't fit now.
Why not?
Because somebody decided they want to put a crossbar on the bike.
Yeah. All right, Kane, I'll talk to you.
Okay. Bend this thing out of the way a little bit somehow. About like that.
I'll chat with you during the week.
All right. And I think we just about bent the line in half doing that.
You.
Yeah. Hello. Working away over here. What's up? What year? I have motor sets, so come in a motor set. Yeah, the whole gasket set, the whole motor. That I'm not sure about.